Everything about assets. Assets are a fundamental concept in finance and accounting. An asset is something of value that an individual, organization, or business owns or controls, with the expectation that it will provide future benefit. Here's a comprehensive overview of assets. 1. Types of assets. Current assets. These are assets that are expected to be converted into cash or used up within 1 year or a business's operating cycle, whichever is longer. Examples include cash, accounts receivable, and inventory. Non-current assets, long-term assets. These are assets that are not expected to be converted into cash or used up within 1 year. They include property, plant, equipment, intangible assets, and investments in securities. Tangible assets. Physical assets with a concrete physical presence, such as real estate, machinery, and vehicles. Intangible assets. Non-physical assets without a physical presence, but with inherent value, like patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Financial assets. Assets in the form of financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, and derivatives. 2. Valuation of assets. Historical cost. Assets are initially recorded at the historical cost, which is the price paid to acquire or produce the asset. Fair market value. In certain situations, assets may be valued at their current market value, which can be higher or lower than historical cost. 3. Role of assets. In investment, individuals and businesses invest in assets, such as stocks, real estate, and bonds, with the expectation of generating income and capital appreciation. In business, assets are essential for business operations. They are used to generate revenue, and managing assets efficiently is crucial for profitability. Balance sheets. Assets are a key component of a balance sheet, which provides a snapshot of an entity's financial position at a specific point in time. 4. Depreciation. For tangible assets, depreciation is the process of allocating the cost of an asset over its useful life. It reflects the reduction in the asset's value over time. Intangible assets may also be amortized, which is similar to depreciation, but applies to intangible assets. 5. Liquidation. Value. This is the value of an asset if it were to be sold or liquidated. It may be lower than the asset's historical cost or fair market value, depending on market conditions. 6. Asset allocation. Asset allocation refers to the distribution of investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, to manage risk and achieve specific financial goals. 7. Liquidity. Some assets are more liquid than others, meaning they can be converted into cash more easily and quickly. Cash is the most liquid asset, while real estate may be less liquid. 8. Accounting and reporting. Businesses and organizations follow accounting standards to report their assets on financial statements. Generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, or International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, provide guidelines for asset recognition, measurement, and disclosure. Assets are a fundamental concept in finance, accounting, and economics. They play a critical role in personal finance, investment decisions, and the financial health of businesses and organizations. Understanding the types, valuation, and management of assets is essential for making informed financial decisions.